Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a cup sung by Pitch Perfect, and if you're familiar with that, just keep on watching. But if you're not watching cup sung, just don't watch. That's not a big deal, so yeah, let's get into the cup sung. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm living tomorrow, I say. When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I have a ticket for the long way round. The world really is of you. It's got mountains, it's got rivers. It's decided to give you shivers, and I know you're prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Oh my god. And if you know guys, this is my 15th. Oh, 15th. I think this is my last cup song because the cup song that I upload in YouTube is failed. So if you want to watch that, if you want to watch that, just search in YouTube Reina Claire channel. So Reina Claire Tibo channel, and you can watch that. And I have a makeup tutorial there. I have a everyday makeup look, and I think tomorrow I will upload my Barbie transformation look, but I'm gonna edit it. And if you know guys, I'm so glad that I'm finished the cup song because I'm always failed in the cup song. I don't know. I think I don't have my concentration of that, but I'm glad that it's done. So I'm gonna upload it into Facebook. Yeah, I will upload it. And by the way guys, I'm using my laptop today, and so I'm uploading it to the Facebook. I'm gonna give a shout out. Shout out to Pam. Hey Pam, and don't forget to watch it, Pam, this, because I have a shout out for you. And shout out to Mary Cayetano. So Mary yeah, and I have 3 persons to watch out, shout out, Pam, Mary, and the one is Kizaya. Kizaya is my classmate in the year of 2012 and 2013. She's a beautiful girl, but I'm not a beautiful girl. I'm a beautiful boy. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm glad that I'm done, and I'm gonna shout out. And I think I will have a last shout out to Savior. Savior is like a silly boy. He's funny. And yeah. Okay guys. Goodbye. Mwah.